The most rewarding part of my job are the relationships that I've built and the stories that people tell me. I work at NeighborCare because I really believe in the ultimate goal of 100% access with zero disparities for healthcare for all. And I think that it's a lofty goal and we're getting there, and the work is really hard and the work is really fun.
So here at NeighborCare, we're like almost a one-stop organization. We have patient care where they see the provider. We have a lab and clinic where patients get their lab work. And we also have behavioral health here to help with any mental challenges that patients have. And then go to the pharmacy to pick up any medications that they need.
Whole person care to me is more than just whole body care. The person needs access to food, they need a strong community, they need good relationships in their life.
Whole person care to me means making sure that you are addressing any of their barriers to access to healthcare. For example, patients who could not make it to their appointments and had lack of transportation or lack of childcare. And the call doesn't end just with getting them a healthcare appointment or can I get a dental appointment for you?
I have been a NeighborCare patient since I was a kid. And one of the barriers that we had was the language barrier. Both of my parents, they both immigrated over from Vietnam, and just trying to get care was a little hard. It feels great being able to kind of give back in a way to the place that helped me growing up and helped my family. So it feels nice knowing that I'm able to provide that care in a way to the people that I grew up around.
A lot of my patients, have had trauma in the healthcare setting, either physical trauma from a physical wound that was treated, or they've suffered stigmatization or racism or judgment. Every one of my patients is a fabulous human being that is worthy of whole person care.
My name is Antonio Ricardo de Landa. I was in the hospital and I was feeling so alone, and I was feeling like, wow, what am I gonna do now? I was thinking to go back to the street, and there she was, and she hugged me. It just changed my life in a second, because the way she is, I decided to change, to change myself. I started to work in my room. I just sit there and start to feel how lucky I was.
Antonio, you did all the hard work. I was just there holding your hand or, being a little wind in your sails.
I feel proud. I'm starting to be a part of something bigger than me, and I start to see the world in a different way. Well, we have lots and lots of people that was in the same position as I was when I was outside. And now they are here. The world is giving us another opportunity. They are really a big part of the miracles that happen. And I'm here. And it's because they opened me the doors and say, welcome.